Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, let's go in our Minecraft world. And yeah, you may be wondering that, oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? What is this? So, guys, when last time I died, which was extremely sad, I went mining, I was grinding, and I have renovated my base in Minecraft. So yeah, that is the title for today. I renovated my base on day 8 Minecraft. So this balcony. So let's go down and I will show you the entire thing. So let us just go down. So this is the thing where you all saw. So this is the balcony which I have added, which is the new balcony. The first balcony was here somewhere. Oh, wait, wait. Okay, so the old balcony was here, like here. I have covered it up, and the new one is here. So the new one is here, and also I've got a painting, a nice painting. So let's go up. Up is a theater room. These are some stairs which I also found while mining some block. And what? Wait, I have the name. This is a resin brick stair. So I went for mining and I just found this block, found it interesting. So I mined it and I made these stairs. And this is a painting. This is like a theater room. And up is my balcony. Wait. Yeah, up is my balcony. This is like some sort of chandelier. And so what is my difficulty level? Let's just check. Options. Difficulty is hard, right? But what? Why? Okay. Oh, wait. My spy glasses disappeared. I think that is an leathered armored zombie there somewhere. Okay, so I don't care about that. Now, what I am going to do today is that we will go and basically we will be doing some time pass. Yeah, I have another thing for you to show you. Close this so that I have removed this minecart, that thing, because it was very ugly. So I think that tomorrow we will go into the village and trade something. I just need emeralds. So let's just sleep for now. Let's sleep. Let's sleep. Okay, so let's go. What is this noise? Okay, good morning. We have finally woken up. There is someone for us to be welcomed. You skeleton, what's up? Skeleton, look at me. Bro. Bro. Do I have some blocks? Yes, I have. So let's just take this dirt. Let's just take this dirt. And we will close this because, yeah, let's just take these arrows. Let's go. And yeah, we will go up. Up we go. I just have to do this. Close this. Close this. Great. So we have finally closed. Hey yo, what are you doing here, bro? Let's just go to him. Hello, what have you? You have hay bale, emerald. I don't think I have a hay bale. Wait. I think I have. No. Let's check there. You what? What? Yes. Oh my god. Let's go. 8 hay bale. So that means I can have 8 emeralds. Let's go. Bro's luck is working. Some people were commenting that bro's luck did not work. Just to tell them, now it is working. Huh. What? Only 2? What is this? What is this nonsense? Now, why are you living in this world? What? अरे वेट इनका भी बंदोबस्त करता हूँ मैं. चल हट चल. Wait guys, wait. He's spitting on me. Bro thinks. हाँ go. हाँ go. हाँ. ओए. Go. Very good. Now we will take our horse. I just have to name this horse. What shall I name him? Do I have an anvil? No. I mustn't. Wait. I will not have an anvil. मेरे पास नहीं होगा anvil. देखो. Anvil. अरे what यार? What is this? I have iron. How do you make a anvil? Wait. Anvil. AB. Anvil. How to make? Iron block. Okay, I can make a block of. Wait. Give me that. What yaar? What is this? Where is that? 59. Give that. I need a block of iron. How to make block of iron? Block of iron. I need is 3. Okay, good. 1 and 1 more. Very nice. Anvil. Oh no, I'm out of. Wait. Keep this and keep this. Great. What we were crafting anvil. Correct. Anvil. And this goes here. Let's go. And I think I have a name tag, but it is I think I named it on a chicken. Wait. I think if I get a name tag and then I'm super lucky. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Where to place? I will place it there. Upar, Here. Correct. This we will go name tag. What shall we name our horse? What shall we name our horse? I think Porsche 911. Porsche 911. Let's go. Porsche 911 is a good name for our horse. Porsche 911. That is a good name. Porsche 911. Let's go. And this. Let's go. Let's go into the village. We need to trade with the villagers. What is bro doing here? And why is he not spitting on me? Okay, let it be. I'm not fond of being spit on. What am I talking? I just wanted to say कि मला काही house नाही आहे, कोणी माझ्यावरती जिंकलं पाहिजे. That is called fluent Marathi speaking. What is this? Why can't you climb? Porsche 911. But I think his name is a little odd. Like how do we call our pets? Like hey Tom, John, but how to call him Porsche 911? Arey yaar, what is this? Wow, don't tell me. So many trees. So many trees. How to go now? Wait. What is what? Our woodland mansion. We'll surely return. Yeah, I again have to go to the woodland mansion, and guys, I have to go again to the nether. But this time, next time I'll make a video. Summer versus Ghast. Like that. I will. No, little horse. Porsche, come here. Porsche 911, come here. Come here, Porsche. Come here. Come, bro. Can this be attached here? Oh, let's go. Okay, he's here, Porsche 911. And let's go. Villagers, where are you? Actually need this, so let's just steal this. Yay, let's go. Where Iron Brew is here. Where is the village? Oh no, what has happened to you? Wait, I have iron. Let's fix him. Take. Good one. That's a fresh look. You come here. Ah, nice one. Now where are those villagers? Don't tell me I can't find a single villager. I can hear their noises like. Yeah. I'm. Wait. Guys, I will not talk. You only hear. Wow. Actually, I can't. What is this? Is it clay? What is this? Oh, white terracotta. Oh, I thought it. Ah, there is a villager. But does he trade? I don't think so. Like I think he's jobless. No, he's going in his home. He's inside. What is he doing there? Hey, oh, bhai. What? What if I just kill the villager? I hope no one saw that. Okay, it is becoming night time. Okay, guys. So I think that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. So that is it for today, guys, and we will surely be doing something great. So that is it for today, guys. Bye bye.